Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off dark mode on Facebook on iPhone. But before we start the process, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you'll always be updated on the new tutorials I post. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Once you're on Facebook, you'll immediately see 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on them, and this will open the menu. In the menu, find the Settings and Privacy section and tap on it. Then find the Settings section and tap on it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a little and find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Next, in this section, select Display. Once you've done that, here select Dark Mode. And finally, choose the Off option to turn off dark mode on Facebook. Once you turn it off, Facebook will immediately switch to light mode, and all pages will be displayed in the standard light color. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.